Hi, welcome to our program. Today we will meet Amar. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Fat.
So I think you participate in an exhibitions and you did a project that's called Al-Dahar. So what is Al-Dahar? Can you talk please more about it?
Yes, sure. Thank you very much for being here, first of all. The project Al-Dahar was initiated in Al Buhais geology site, and it was an invitation to participate for Sharjah Cinema Days.
When I approached the installation space and the surroundings and the context it was set in, the geology in that space is very special. Originally, the landscape was submerged and 93 million years ago started to form. I was thinking about time and where we human beings appeared actually on that universal timeline, so to speak. It reminded me of a verse in the Quran, specifically in Surah 76, the first verse, saying that, "Is there not a period of time when each human is nothing yet worth mentioning?" And the word period of time in that verse is called Al-Dahr in Arabic. So that is the context here and why the installation in Buhais is coined Al-Dahr, time and transcendence.
And then this is 38 centimeter.
The conceptual art piece itself is a round-shaped frame attached to a podium with the word Al-Dahr. Now, on that podium, there are ancient stones from the region representing the earth and the passage of time. And inside the podium is a sound system that plays different soundscapes inspired by the region and composed of several tracks that loop in different intervals.
It's taking a while.
The loop sounds the same, but in fact, not any minute is the same. The interaction of the audience with that installation is very simple.
فإذا لعبت بالأحجار الموجودة هذه تسمعون تردد أصوات.
By touching these stones on the podium, which are attached to a microphone, they will feel their texture, shape, and the temperature. Their interaction will be heard, delayed by the long time interval, and mixed with the sonic environment.
Al-Dahri.
So what did you learn from this project?
Really, I learned so much to conceptualize an art piece. Of course, budgetary restraints, time, to take your time to really compose and to practice and to set it up with everyone. And of course, I think coordination with the people who manage the place.
But it was actually a nice idea and nice project. Thank you, Amar, for this conversation, and thank you.
Thank you very much, Fatima, for having me.